Hi, I'm Oliver Sharp in the Bio Buzz Center at Bio 2015. I'm very excited to be joined now by Tim Walbert, the CEO of Horizon Pharma. Tim, how are you today? Good to see you.
Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
First of all, tell me a bit about Horizon. What's the mission of your company?
Horizon's a patient-focused company. We're focused on developing, commercializing products in orphan diseases, primary care, and also in the specialty area. Public company for about 4 years and have had some great growth and built a great group of people.
And you guys made a very generous donation this week to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Why is it important for Horizon to support organizations like Make-A-Wish?
Well, if you look at Make-A-Wish and our support, it's only because of the work Bio did. And Bio gave a $75,000 donation, and we followed that. And what you see with Bio is much more of a focus on patient first. We had advocacy groups like the Cystic Fibrosis Organization join the Bio Emerging Company Board. And we've seen advocacy groups here in the exhibits, and an opportunity, I went over and talked to several that we work with, and it's an opportunity to kind of get past the science and marry it with how does the patient matter. And even if you look at 21st century cures, a number of things that we're trying to do is how can trials take in more what the patient's doing, how it affects them, and how does that marry up with the science and the analysis that we do.
And why is it important to put the patient first? Sometimes we can get caught up, like you say, in the science and in the business aspect of things. But again, we're treating people. We have to think about the patients.
Well, it's one thing to help improve diseases, but the quality of life of the patient is so much more important. And you can't get that with a test. You get that by talking to the patient and have patient-reported outcomes, where how the patient feels and how they can do activities of daily living is what really matters in how we can move products through the systems and improve their life versus just improving the symptoms of a disease. And I think that's where Bio's focused, and Bio takes it from the patient side to really helping companies like Horizon and many of us from a policy standpoint, where we now have situations like the inter-party review. It's a challenge of the patent system that worked well in technology but now is being misused against biotech companies, and Bio's been a very strong supporter of trying to do the right thing to help companies have protected innovation so that we can then take that back and do the right thing for the patient.
And you're also a board member of Bio. What does this event and this organization mean to the biotechnology industry as a whole?
Well, there's so many great things. There's the sessions where people get to hear. There's young entrepreneurs that get to come out and learn about how do I raise money, and a number of the different panels and things people can go to. But then there's the partnering session, which is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, partnering meetings where small companies can meet with the larger companies about potentially doing deals, and an acquisitive company like us have opportunities to engage with 10, 20, 30 different companies and get so much more accomplished. So it's a great setting each year for our whole business development team to come in and really make a strong movement in our overall business.
It's been a big week for you. You were also last night recognized as the E&Y Midwest Entrepreneur of the Year. What's it mean to be recognized by others in your field?
It's an acknowledgement of the great work the team's done, and as I said last night in getting that award, about 20 of our team came up on stage with me, and company success is not about one person, it's about how everyone comes together and drives the company forward, and it's a recognition of the great work the team's done.
Excellent. Well, Tim, congratulations. Thanks for all the hard work that you do with
really
Horizon.
Appreciate it.
We'll see you next year in San Francisco for Bio 2016.
Absolutely, we'll be there.
For more from Bio 2015, stay tuned right here to the Bio Digital Daily in the Buzz Center.